potato types, dry fruits, Milkmaid. Take mixing bowl and spoon. Some Oreo powder. I taste it. So nice. I am also some Oreo powder. Taste it. Very tasty. Oreo powder. Milkmaid. Nutella. We mix it well. Now make a ball. It pulls at your clothes. It drums at your hair. It whispers on windows to make people stare. It rattles your rooftop. It creaks past each street. It charges down chimneys and roars with the sea. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Peter, Peter, down the window pane. They won't let him walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They say I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. Now taste it.